Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the story The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, written by William Elliot Griffiths. It is based in Japan. It is about a honest and a hardworking couple who live with their pet dog Muku. The greedy and cruel nature of their neighbors result in the death of the dog. However, the master receives support and solace in many different unexpected ways from the dog spirit. The story explains that people are known by the deeds they perform, means work they do, just like a tree which is known by its fruits and leaves. It shows that if people are kind to other people and animals, they tend to be happy. If they are greedy and cruel, they will be unhappy and sad. The story also has hints of magical realism along with themes of kindness, methodology, karma, animals, fantasy, kindness, and society. The story contains a powerful message to adopt virtues like honesty, compassion, and truth. In 19th century, there lived an old couple. They had a pet dog. It was provided with cushion and was fed lovingly by the couple. The old man was a rice farmer and was followed by his pet to the fields. One day, the dog has taken the man to a spot and began scratching the earth. There, the man digs the earth and found a pile of gold. They become rich and bought a piece of land. They cajole their dog is thankful manner. In contrast to the benevolent couple, there lived an insensitive couple. They used force to take the dog to a place where they could find some place to dig gold. The dog befooled them and began scratching at a place where a dead kitten was buried. Angrily, the man killed the dog, and his wife nearly chopped off his head with a sharp hoe and buried his carcass into the soil. The old people regretted the severance with the dog and mourned its death. He set up bamboo tubes to demarcate its grave and let a cup of water and food as they used to do to feed it. One day, when the old man was sleeping, the spirit of the dog appeared in his dreams and asked him to cut the pine tree near this grave. The old man followed the wish of the dog. When New Year's time was around, he decided to make rice pastry, and when the rice was boiled and it was poured into the mortar and lifted the hammer to pound into the dough, to his surprise, it changed into a heap of gold coins. The same thing happened with the old woman. The jealous neighbors were watching everything and they borrowed the mortar and the magic meal, but their pastry turned out to be a foul mass of worms. Again, the dog spirit informed the old man about how the meal had been burned and then asked him to take the ashes of it on the trees withering to make them bloom again. He went up to his withered daisy trees and sprinkled ashes. The fragrance of freshly unleavened blossoms reached the villagers. The old man climbed up an old withered cherry tree when he learned that daimyo was arriving. The villagers set out to bow down before the king until the processing passed by. When the greedy neighbor heard of it, he took some of the magic ashes and went out on the highway. When the daimyo himself was almost directly under him, he threw a handful ashes over the tree, which did not change a particle. Instead, the wind blew the finest dust in the noses and eyes of the daimyo and his wife. It spoiled the dignity of the procession. The man was beaten and left for dead.